Serendipity to Houston, control, come in please. You got control, go ahead there, Serendipity. Yeah, this craft is behaving nothing like we planned or played with in the simulator. Over, things are going haywire up here, please advise. What do you mean things aren't going like they were? We planned the playbook, the one best way to follow the roadmap to success. What's wrong with y'all up there? What's wrong with us? I think you can see by the video feed, none of the controls are working the way we're supposed to. You want me to take a picture of whatever that is on the right side. I can't even keep the damn craft straight. What do you want? Serendipity control here. What we want is for you to remain calm and reconnoiter the situation. Remain calm. I'll tell you what, I will do my best to get back on the earth, because when I do, I'm going to put my foot up someone's rear end. Who told you that we should buy these controls off of eBay? Serendipity, remain calm. Oh, remain calm? What are you talking about, remain calm? I don't have anything. Control to Serendipity, come in. Control to Serendipity, come in.